And as I expected, pretty well picked over.
Simple sales for good profit.
Good morning, everybody.
Good morning. Yeah, our first sale here. There were some things that I would have bought in the past that I'm not buying today. I did buy the basket of carrots for 25 cents. I figured someone's doing crafts and we'll buy all of them, so they'll sell us a lot. And the Under Armour backpack for $1. Yeah, it's for us. Go hiking. All right, on to the next sale. It's a cool peacock. All right, so we got a sale here and a sale here. That's cute. And a kitty cat. Trivet. We didn't find a whole lot in this neighborhood sale, so we're going to go to a few individual sales and see if we can find something. You never know. But we're looking for a garage sale, and it looks like it has possibilities. We'll see. Wonder if it's Jeanette. It's down to $2 for the set. But you know, creamer and sugars have not been selling very well. Guess people aren't entertaining. Oh, salt and pepper shakers. Those guys are cute. Gingerbread. Westland. $1 a pair. This is older. This owl set. 2-piece for $1. I might have to do those. That's cute. And there's another owl set here. These look newer though. These have pepper in them. Legends of Dark Souls 6-pack. Hidden object collection. Drum set $4. There's one of those paper bowls made from magazines. It's got a hole in it though. This is kind of cool. Should be a snake coming out of there, huh? It's kind of a neat basket though. It's $2. This must be the day to buy for ourselves. We found some mini binoculars for our hiking bag. And, oh, those owl salt and pepper shakers. They're cute. Ready to an estate sale now. Since it's Saturday, maybe things will be marked down. A little bit of stuff left. Not a lot. Some napkin rings. These are pretty. Has some kind of tag inside. Can't read it. Those would be $3. Iris, $2. That's cute. Mark, do you recognize the way this USA is written? It's really.
That's the same stamp that was on that other piece that I forget what it was last week.
All right, it's not McCoy. Okay. The house is for sale. This is that reverse painting. Has wear when it has wear. That's what happens. Alright, let's go see if there's anything down the hall. Check the bathroom out. Just never know. Silkies. Some of these older things can have some value. Might have to look this one up. No barcode. 500 and some listed. Like 200 sold and not going for much. Okay, let's move on. Pretty empty. I don't see any branding on these stackable cups, but they're so pretty. It's $2. It's $5. What do you have? What is this, Mark? Oh, I guess it's automatic TV volume control.
Yeah, so that the TV doesn't blast on commercials and go quiet on the other.
We need that.
It's new, sealed inside the box.
Worth about how much, you think?
Could be $35, $40.
Okay. This is a pretty little table runner for $2. I think I'll pick this up for myself. This matches the one in the kitchen. Mark's gonna go see if he can find it. Alright, so this one is still in the house, and it looks like the same signature to me. We'll have to figure it out.
They're different color.
That's okay.
That one's missing the spoon.
Oh, I see. Oh, okay. Well,
It's a
honey spoon. I'm not sure then.
honey
Because
dipper.
I thought they were going to match. What do you think? Yes or no? They don't match. I guess I shouldn't put them together. I have to think about it. You have these wooden shoe stretchers.
Say that.
Let's see what they want for the box of them. Estate sale. Sewing stuff. I have a lot of this listed right now, the rickrack. Wow, that's vintage. That's actually kind of cool. Somebody made that. Obviously from fabric, it is so cute. But is that a $15 item? Probably not. There's sewing set up here. I have a serger. Oh, this spools of thread. $20 for all. I used to love these little knick-knack shells made from rollers. These are cute. $10 for the pair. And all the thimbles. I doubt there's any sterling silver, but you never know.
Which two?
I did not check these two. Looking at these plates here, there's 4 of them. Yeah, a few utensil scratches. Churchill, made in Staffordshire. Oh, long driveway here to this sale. And they're still open, which is kind of surprising. It's about 2:30. Cute. Somebody made it, but it's really cute. Measuring cups. Tupperware. It's melted. You see that? It got too hot. Too bad. Missing a lid. Canister set with apples. Looks like someone made that. Ceramic glass. Mark's back here looking at some creamer, sugar.
Interesting stuff here.
That looks like Wexford.
No, that's not a match. I thought this was the matching, but you see the top
Doesn't have
rim?
the band.
No,
Yeah.
But this is. This matches that.
Yeah, it does. What do you got here?
Yeah, this is interesting.
It's pretty.
It's got like a honeycomb on the bottom. And then look at the
It's
the
older.
thumbprint, but look at the.
It's not really a thumbprint. It's a circle.
Well, it's a circle, but still it's
It's got a texture on
etched
it,
around the edges.
like a little zipper texture. That's pretty.
But I just noticed they didn't finish the pattern over here.
Oh, that's too bad.
Okay.
Yeah, so I guess we'll pass for that, but too bad.
Is that the Fostoria pattern?
Sort of. The flower looks like it in the middle, but I'm not 100% sure. We got a pie plate here. Sherry pie plate. Ooh, and a mosquito.
Complete with a dead mosquito.
Sunnycraft, Korea. Might have to look that up. It's a potential. This needs clean. Citrus spray. Indonesia. Alright, I'm gonna look this up.
Okay.
Although it's only $1, they're going for about $8 to $15, so I'm gonna pass. This is different. It's blue speckled. Van Pat and Shang. And there's 2 of them. I should check that out and see what those are all about. The set case. Does anybody want these? The set cases for a chair. Is that a timer?
Yeah. An old.
It's vintage.
Oh.
You know, Intermatic time all. I gotta check it out. Intermatic.
I'm trying to see
I can't tell what it says.
what's Germany.
It's $2? I think it'll work. It's pretty big. So how did we do on our Saturday scavenging? I got an Under Armour backpack for $1. We're going to keep this for hiking. I got a jacket, purple jacket, pretty nice, for $3. I'm not sure where, it's reversible, so I'm not sure where the branding is right now, but that's okay. Got a basket of carrots. That will sell us a lot. Not the basket, but the carrots. A whole bunch of them in here. 25 cents for all of that. Some binoculars. A spoon that I bought to keep for some deep frying. This vintage spellbound powder container. That was 50 cents. This was 50 cents. These were 3. A little notepad with dragonflies for $1. Little salt and pepper shaker owl for $1. Little kitty cat face trinket dish for $1. 2 cartridges, new sealed, and they have a decent expiration date of September 2022. Paid $3 for the 2. And some napkin rings for $3. And these gorgeous stackable coffee mugs, paid $2. And this 3-tier clamshell fold-down snack tray, paid $5. Studio Art Pottery Honey Pot Jar, paid $1. 4 Churchill Staffordshire, England Willow Blue dinner plates, paid $5. And a table runner that I decided to keep. A woman's Elude brand watch, paid $2. Elizabeth Taylor White Diamonds watch, paid $2. Got these 2 Von Pockenshang blue soup bowls for $1 for the 2. Paid a whopping 25 cents for this Intermatic appliance timer. And this 16-inch tall West Germany pottery vase, paid $2 and listed it for $119.95. That might be a little bit high, but hey, it does make offer on it. If you like these kind of videos, we appreciate a thumbs up. Invite you to like, subscribe, and ring that bell for notifications. And as always, thanks for watching. Mark and I will see you soon.